Slide the threaded end of the stud onto the cable and slide the stud down the cable until the cable protrudes out the end of the stud. Leave a length of cable at the end of the stud that's approximately the diameter of the cable. Insert the stud into the dies of the swedger, keeping the threads outside of the dies. Depress the rear of the foot pedal on the swedger pump. Only let the dies close about halfway. Don't let the dies close all the way on the first cycle. Press the other end of the foot pedal to open the dies. Turn the stud 45 degrees and repeat the process, letting the dies close about halfway. Open the dies and turn the stud another 45 degrees and press the foot pedal to close the dies. This time let the dies close all the way. Repeat the process several times, each time rotating the stud another 45 degrees until the stud is completely smooth all the way around.